good morning. I's miracle bore happy ha. Nengko be? I's mage cousin lagi Joel Priscilla enjoy. Okay, आणि I's miracle तेमगेले फ्लागल्स आपा हा. So तेमी बनावली रिसोर्ट बुक केला. So तेका आता तिंगा होता निसोपाक. ओके आणि मगे सतिक मेळ्या. आता पावलाय आम्ही हिंगा बनावली बीच रोडाचेर ते सारके बीचेर बुक केला तेमी रिसोर्ट. ओके आणि येयलाय ती निसोपाक. हो मेरिकला गेलो ड्रेस ओके आणि ते गेले ब्राइड्समेड्सां गेले मेरिकल बसन हा ओके
One, bring it again. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, next. Yeah, next. Go. No, your island currency, good boy. Very good boy. Okay, next. Yeah, next. D. Next. No, don't apply 1, 2, 3. Yeah, next. No, you'll also go. Picture books, these guys too. One, 2, 3. Video करो got it close it up then 123 yeah 123 yeah learning sir yeah done sure दादा दे बोलेगा पैसे सब बोलेगा स्माइल करेंगे कितना है बेटा
Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, and 3.
You are very nice. Thank you. Yeah. Girls come. Stand next to the bed. Baba come. Go there.
Family photos दिखाता है मैं देता हूँ तेरे मुझे ऊपर बैठ
राव, देखो तो देखना खाने.
this TV
Yeah, start with that. Okay, start with that. Yes, yes, yes. Inside. Smile to 1, 2, and 3.
Priscilla.
Bouquet check. It's a girlfriend. What about it? Can you get booking? Count.
Na 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 na.
Baby, come here.
Testing 1, 2, here testing.
To put contact.
all I'm going to do is have some fun today. Well, a very good evening and extending a very warm welcome to one and all present over here on this so-called as the most delighted evening in the life of Joel and Priscilla as they are celebrating their wedding, as they can finally call each other as husband and wife. Well, ladies and gentlemen, they say it was very well said that Devagadene is Upkara Vine. And yes, Joel and Priscilla, they feel more than blessed and grateful to Almighty God for this beautiful blessing of their life. Well, now I'm requesting everybody to kindly please get ready to give a heartwarming welcome to the family. So I'm requesting everybody, and please give them some claps on the beat. Of course, we have the beautiful family members alongside the page boys and the flower girls. Well, come on everybody, let's begin with this stunning entrance. Here we go. Come on everybody, we have the beautiful family members of the bride couple. Come on everybody, let's be guys get it louder. For the beautiful family members, the parents and the page boys alongside the flower girls. Come on everybody, let's put our hands together louder. Can we see those hands in the air? Giving them a round of applause. Come on everybody. For these beautiful family members alongside the page boys and the flower girls. A lovely count of 10. So let the countdown go from 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 1. Here we go.
करमूट तुमकां सगळ्या मोग आसूं आनी आमी सगळीं एकवटान रावया.